this video, I want to talk about how you can connect Zendrop to your Shopify store. Now this is really easy, guys. What you want to do is you want to head over to your admin dashboard, and from in here you want to click on Add Apps. Then you want to click on the Shopify App Store, and once this opens up, we just want to search for Zendrop. So search for it, press enter, and then just download the one who is made from Zendrop, so the official one. Click install, and it's gonna be added right here. If you don't see it, just refresh and it will pop up here. And then what you need to do is just click on it, and it's gonna ask you to connect your account. So just click on it, and it will there will be some instructions on the screen that you can follow, and it's pretty simple. I also recommend that you just quickly watch the video inside of here just to figure out how it all works. And that's about it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.